I am making our Elite lacing system. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. And I'll be making them from scratch. So what we do is we start with a piece like this. This is our Y-post scrim. And we have to tack on several things. So the first thing would be this loop. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and just tack this on real quick. Okay. And then we've got this little plug. And tack that on as well. Okay, now what we do is we take two different pieces of ultra suede. It's the same outline or the same shape as our Y-post, and we're basically going to sandwich the scrim with this ultra suede, and that makes it really really soft, because this is the part that's going to be coming into contact with the person's foot. So I'm just going to go ahead and outline the suede onto this post. Okay, then what I'm gonna do is I've got this post. Real quick, I'm gonna just tap it there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my hook and loop, my Velcro, to basically make the strap. So I've got two pieces here. So I'll go ahead and do that. And then hopefully my thread won't come out. Try that again. So let's see, we've got the loop. And then I'm gonna grab a length of, this is the same ultra suede material that I sandwiched the Y-post with, but it's now in strips of 5/8 inch. So this is what's gonna basically cover the hook and loop for the strap. So I'm gonna go ahead and sew that under the loop, then take my hook and go right against the loop. I'm going to follow a specific pattern. Once I get to the joint where the hook and the loop come together, you want to give it some strength with the thread, with the stitching. So I'm just going to do a little quick kind of a roundabout. So once you have that pattern sewn, it should look something like that. Right, there's that little roundabout that I told you about. So the stitching going over itself twice is going to give the hook and loop some strength, right? So I've got this. Now this isn't done yet, so what I have to do is I actually have to take the ultra suede strip and I'm going to fold it over itself, giving it a little bit of a tab. And I'm going to now just sew a big rectangle. Let's see why I do that. Just a sec. Okay, so now I've got a insole post strap. It looks like this. And this is what goes on the inside of the sandal. So now what we have to do is we have to make the outsole strap, and we use the outsole post that looks just like this. And it's made in a similar way that the insole post is made. There's a scrim, we tack the plug on, and then we cover it with ultra suede, and then we have to punch a little slit. That's where the toe plug strap goes through, and sew a little box around it to give it some strength. So that's the outsole post. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the outsole strap now. So it's the same way that I made the insole strap. I'm just gonna take some loop on the hook and loop. And then this time I'm gonna take the 3/4 inch ultra suede strips and follow the exact same pattern that I did with the insole strap. Do a little roundabout right here. Okay, now then I have to go ahead and take the ultra suede and I'm going to fold it over itself once again. Fold it over itself. And try to keep everything aligned. All right, so this is what the outsole strap looks like when it's fully sewed. Same way that we did the insole strap. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brand this real quick. We brand our outsole heel straps. So I'm just gonna place it under a little brander right here. And hopefully I do this just like that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and sew a toe plug strap. And what we have are 3 different pieces. So we've got our toe plug, and then we also have the strap itself. And we actually connect those with a little connector. It's the same ultra suede material. We use the ultra suede material because it's really soft. And when you have something that's rubbing against the skin on your foot all day, you want those materials to be soft so that they don't chafe. So that's what we use in ultra suede. And we just tape that on there, and then we sew a quick little box X pattern, which is a really durable and strong pattern that you stitch on things that you never want to come apart. So I'm gonna go ahead and sew that right now. Okay, so that's the box X pattern. Now we know that this plug and this toe plug strap itself are never going to come apart. And that's how you make the elite lacing system. It consists of the insole strap, the outsole strap, and the toe plug strap. And those 3 things make sure that the sandal stays nice and secure on your foot and they're easily adjustable. And we believe that it's a great lacing system.
Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more weekly content. And make sure to click the bell so that you'll be notified every time we post something new.